Hi everybody, I'm Norma Buchholz, the chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for December. It is a pan-seared Airline chicken breast with wild mushroom saute and a little bit of Marsala cream with some fresh wilted spinach, and it's accompanied with some Yukon Gold smash fried potatoes. It is coming this month with our 2021 Ara Riesling. We're going to make our herb dressing for our fried potatoes. That's just gonna be some chives. And then we just have some Italian flat leaf parsley. And this is just gonna be a rough chop on this. We're just going to add a pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper. We're going to take the zest of 1 lemon and the juice. Then we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil and just a few drops of sherry vinegar. Give it a stir here. So next we have some small Yukon Gold potatoes, and these were just boiled until they were just soft in a little bit of salt water. And from here, gently push down, and you're just going to gently smash the potato. This oil is 300 degrees, and we're going to fry them gently for about 5 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown. The Airline chicken breast is essentially just a chicken breast and the wing is attached. I have just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. So for the mushrooms, we have here today shiitake mushrooms, and these are oyster mushrooms that we've just taken and just hand torn. You're gonna wanna take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and we are going to take the Airline chicken breast and just gently put it in the pan. And we're gonna let that sear about 5 minutes on the skin side. There we go. We're gonna let it cook on this side for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in a 450-degree oven for 5 minutes. We're gonna add in the mushrooms to the pan that the chicken was in with just a little bit of salt, and we're gonna get those nice and softened. To the mushrooms, we're gonna add some Marsala. We're gonna cook it till it's basically almost all of the liquid is cooked out, about a minute or so. We're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. So I'm just gonna grate in just a tablespoon or so of freshly grated Parmesan. We're just gonna add some fresh spinach to this. And when all the spinach is wilted, we are ready to plate. We're gonna take a little bit of that herb dressing that we made earlier. Just wanna coat the potatoes in it very gently. From here, we're gonna take those set on the plate. We're going to take our Airline chicken breast, some of the Marsala cream mushrooms, and there you have the perfect pairing for December. All right, everybody, it's time. Yeah, come here, chickie. It's honestly so good. The acidity from the wine brings out the little bit of acidity that's in that herb vinaigrette that's tossed on the potatoes, but it also just cuts through the fat of the cream with the mushrooms and then the crispiness of the skin. Yeah, it's super good. Please come in to visit us for this dish. You will not be disappointed, I promise. There are so many other great new things that I'm putting on the menu for this month. That's a whip.